Hello students, how are you? We are studying class 12 economics chapter 3rd A demand analysis. Our today's topic is individual demand. An individual demand is the quantity of a commodity demanded by a consumer at a given price during a given period of time. Individual demand schedule is a tabular representation. Individual demand schedule is a tabular representation showing different quantities of commodities that an individual consumer is prepared to buy at various prices over a given period of time. It can be explained with the help of the following individual demand schedule. As I mentioned that individual demand schedule is a tabular representation. It is tabular representation, statistical representation. Okay. The table shows different quantity of commodity X. Here is quantity demanded of a commodity X in kg. There has two columns. In second column shows the quantity demanded of a commodity X in kgs, which purchased by an individual consumer at various prices. The column first shows the price of a commodity X. The table shows different quantity of commodities X purchased by an individual consumer at various prices. It can be observed that less quantity demanded at rising prices and more quantity of a commodity is demanded at falling prices. It means it indicates an inverse relationship. There has inverse relationship. The schedule showing the inverse relationship between price and the quantity demanded. Okay. Now we should move to our next point, which is individual demand curve. What is individual demand curve? Individual demand curve is a graphical representation. See, individual demand curve is a graphical representation of the individual demand schedule. The figure represents an individual demand curve. This figure represents individual demand curve, which is based on our above table or above schedule. In figure, x-axis, which is horizontal, x-axis represent quantity demanded, and y-axis, which is vertical, y-axis represents the price of the commodity. The demand curve DD slopes downward. The demand curve slope downward from left to right, from left side to right side, left to right, indicating an inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded, as indicating an inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. This is our individual demand. If you like this video, then please subscribe, like, share and comment. Okay, then we should study our next point, which is demand, market demand, in our next video. Thank you.